Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I am Cheraye. Welcome, and if you are returning, you are truly appreciated and welcome back. If this is your first time to the channel, you like the vibe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell, and it'll let you know every single time a video has been placed on this channel. Today's video is in partnership collaboration with Italo. If you are on Instagram, you probably have seen this brand. I was scrolling on Instagram and I don't know, I clicked on a ring or I clicked on something that I thought would be cute, and then all of a sudden they're in my inbox, in my email, asking if they could send me over some jewelry. Hello, it was shiny, it's sparkly, it's beautiful. She definitely said yes. So they send it out like this. I'm going to show you what I got. I'm actually wearing the pieces in case you have not noticed, and these are the pieces here. It's this beautiful sparkly ring. You guys, it is a complete entirety ring, and it goes all the way around. It's super pretty, super sparkly. And then I also ordered, because they said pick out whatever you want, and she was like, I'm totally here for it. So I picked that out, and then I also picked out this beautiful tennis bracelet here. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? Perfect for the holidays. These are not diamonds. These are not diamonds, although they do look like it. This here is a beautiful tennis bracelet. Who doesn't love a tennis bracelet? Remember when you were younger, I don't know about you guys, but with me, I was like, oh my God, I gotta get a tennis bracelet, I gotta get the tarnished rope, I gotta get the ankle bracelet. I don't know, those are just the things that were really popular when I was growing up, and I always wanted to have one. So I absolutely love this tennis bracelet. This is sterling silver, and these are not diamonds. As I mentioned, these are sapphires. I'm gonna leave their information in the description box below. Have a peruse through their website. You will not be disappointed with holiday season coming up, Black Friday. I don't know if you're going to see this before or after Black Friday, but take advantage of the sales, especially if you like to switch out your jewelry and you like to just have different rings, different bracelets, necklaces, earrings. All of it sparkles and it's bedazzled, and she's totally here for it. So I will leave their information in the description box below. Shout out to Italo for sending over this beautiful packaging. You guys, the packaging looks like this. It actually opens up, and this ribbon does stay on. It comes with a nice polished cloth for your jewelry so that you're able to keep it shiny and sparkly. And then it also comes with a cute little bag in case you wanted to put it in here to take with you somewhere. If you went to the gym and you wanted to put it in your gym bag and take it there, it has some care instructions, care card here, and then the two little pieces look like this. So this is what the bracelet came in, and this is what my beautiful ring came in. I absolutely love that ring. It is everything. So when I go on vacation, I don't bring my, you know, my wedding band set. I don't bring my jewelry. You know, I always bring my costume jewelry. Okay, you guys, I'm moving on. Another thing I picked up is my Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I am doing, yes, you have guessed it, I put it on my community poll and asked you guys if you would be interested in me doing 12 days of Christmas. I was gonna try and do Vlogmas, but OMG, I gotta start out shallow in the shallow ends of the water, you guys. So I'm gonna try and start out with 12 days of Christmas. So I went to Charlotte Tilbury. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know because I showed it over there. And this is the beautiful Charlotte Tilbury glittering glittering galaxy of makeup magic. So it looks like this here, and inside of here it just opens up to this. I need two hands to do this, girl. I need an assistant. Okay, it opens up like this, and it has all of these beautiful, I don't know if you can, are you able to see the rose gold there? It's super beautiful. It has all the little things, and all these drawers are filled with beautiful, amazing product right in here, just like that, and everything's wrapped individually. So you have to open it up each day to unwrap a little gift. So if you are following me on 12 days of Christmas, we will be opening this up. There's 12 drawers here, so every single day on 12 days of Christmas we will be opening up something to see what's exactly inside. So this here is such a beautiful gift. I love the rose gold. I love the attention to detail. I have not gone through it. I'm waiting for you guys. I have not gone through it, so we will go through it together. All right, let's move on. And then another thing, if you follow me, okay, wait a minute, let's start here with Gucci. Oh, MG, what do I have to say about this? You guys, this gift inside this box for myself is so extra, but it's so me. If you know anything about the channel, you know anything about me, I don't mind being extra. I'm okay with it. I actually have accepted it in life. I'm extra, okay? This right here, but it's super cute and I need it. What do you think it is? Take 2.5 seconds, leave it in the comment section below. What do you think is inside of here? It's not a handbag. I'm not feeling really any handbags at the moment. I'm not impressed with anything right now as far as handbags go. But inside of this bag is this little box here, or big box here. What is this? Oh, the receipt. Okay, so receipt, proof of purchase, comes like this. Love the packaging, totally classic, black and white. You know I'm not here for all the big, long, foo-foo, la-la on the packaging. So let's open it right up. Says Gucci here. So she says she's not here for all that, and she still talks about it. Here it is right here. I'm just gonna slide it out. I don't even need to rip the paper, you guys. It is the girl, what are you doing with your life? It is the Gucci, what are they called? Interlock stockings. You guys are stockings, okay? They are stockings, they are tights. They are the Gucci Interlock stockings. I'll pop a picture in. This is what they look like. They are super, super cute. I just thought that it doesn't get very cold here in LA. So I'm not gonna be wearing any huge, big coats or jackets like the Teddy coat. It's super cute. She's not wearing that. It's not that cold here. So I'll be wearing my, you know, regular nice jackets to keep me warm, but nothing of that, you know, stature to be that cold. But I thought this would be a great way to just keep my legs warm and to look fashionable and to be extra. So I picked these up. They're super cute. I think any girl would love these. Okay, I can't say any girl, but if she's extra, she's probably gonna love these. So I think these will make for an amazing gift, especially for Christmas. Give somebody something like this. It will be super cool. A girlfriend, your mom, your aunt, okay, I don't know who you're shopping for, okay, you guys, but if she's extra, she's probably gonna like these. So I did pick these up. Super excited to have those in my collection. And then I did go to Dior. I'm tipping my toes into Dior. I have totally become like a huge fan, not only for the brand because I see it so much on social media. It's not that made me fall in love with the brand or really like the brand. What it is the way that they treat me when I go in for customer service. I really like for you to treat me well when I come into your store. I like for you to pay, you know, close attention to my needs, what I'm asking you for. And if you don't have something, I'm huge on leaving my information and gathering your information. And if you get something, how you communicate with me. If you reach back out to me, if you send me pictures of different things that have come in, I'm huge on that. So if your customer service is really, really good, you pretty much have got a loyal customer for life, and that's me. Girl, open that bag and show us what's inside. Hold on, let me show you. So we got the beautiful tissue paper. I don't know why, you guys. Tissue paper makes me happy. It just makes me think like, oh my God, we got something new. And it is a pair of, ta-da, shoe. Yes, girls and guys and everyone else. I have to step my shoe game up, okay? Oh, what's in here? Oh, hold on a second. Ooh. Okay, so here's some other stuff. I'll tell you about that. So I have to step my shoe game up. Let me tell you exactly what happened. Quick story time, because you know it wouldn't even be me if I didn't have a story time. So we're out. If you follow me on Instagram, I promise you that is my last time saying it. It's probably not though, but let's just go with it. I take pictures and I'm always out every Sunday at brunch. I just love brunch. We go to church, we go to brunch, we do a little like shopping. So we're out, and who I'm referring to is my husband, my guy is what I call him. And we're out and we're shopping and we're, you know, doing, you know, like looking at different stuff. And I think I was looking at handbags and I was looking at something else. And he looks at my outfit and, you know, I'm like, hello, excuse you. And he was like, what you need to be... This is so funny. He was like, what you need to be looking for is shoes. And I'm like, excuse you? He's like, yeah, you need to step up your shoe game. Like, you've got the bags, you've got the purses, you've got the jewelry, you know, hair, makeup, all that. He was like, but when I get down to your shoes, it's like, what are you doing? What are those? You know, he was like one of those moments. So I'm like slowly, you know, stepping up my shoe game. I've not been the type of girl that wanted to spend a lot of money on shoes. I don't know, it just wasn't my love. But I will tell you this, you guys, once you buy a few nice pair of shoes, okay, luxury pair, nice pair, it doesn't have to break the bank. I've gotten some really amazing shoes at Nordstrom's Rack. I mean, Steve Madden, I don't discriminate, okay? I'm just saying a nice pair of shoes, it's hard to go back. And I have noticed that a shoe completes an outfit. No matter if you've got the hair, you've got the nails, manicured, you know, you got jewelry, you got the handbag, you got the whole thing. If you get down to your shoes and it's like, what are those? And I'm not talking about they have to be name brand. I'm just talking about shoes in general. I just wasn't a shoe girl. That has since changed over the last year. So I have accumulated quite a few pair of shoes this year, and I'm super excited for that because now that I just feel confident and they complete my outfit. Not that I even noticed it before, but my guy did. He's one of those. Is your hair done? Is your nails done? What are you doing? You know, he's one of those. Anyhow, so these are the shoes that I got. I looked high and low for these. Quick tip. Went to the mall. I was in Orange County. This was months back. They did not have anything. They're like, we're sold out. I was gonna buy a pair and they were too small, and I knew they were too small, but I was just gonna make myself fit in them because I really love the shoes, and they said they were sold out of the country everywhere. However, I was smart enough to not make that decision. So nonetheless, to say, I called back, called all the way over to Hawaii, found them, had them shipped from Hawaii, Honolulu, to the Rodale store drive, to the Rodale Drive store, and then I was able to go in, try them on, and pick them up, and these are them, and I don't want any other pair. I'm probably gonna get another pair, but these are the ones I wanted. So of course, if it's your first time, it comes with a dust bag, and I believe you get 2 of them. So you get 2 dust bags here. Let me hold these up so you can see. So you get 2 dust bags here. You do have the shoes in here. I've already took these out, tried them on. I've never worn them, but I've took them out, tried them on, tried them in the store, did my walk around, wear around test, everything like that. And they are, oh my gosh, there's a lot of tissue paper. Hello, excuse you? Okay, let's just say, I gotta put this down. They are wrapped. I don't know why I have to say everything. You guys, oh my gosh. Oh my God, give me a moment because I haven't seen them since I tried them on. They are gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. These are the Dior. Oh, and they are black and gold. I cannot wait to wear these. These are black and gold. They are the Dior with the mesh, and they have the gold dots on them. See, I'm a black and gold kind of girl. Black and white. What else? I am a white and gold, cream and gold, anything in gold. I love gold. I love shimmer. I love extra, and this is just doing the most. Look at that. You cannot tell me that. Audrey, what do you think? These are doing the most, right? Oh my gosh, they are super cute. They are sling back. They're gorgeous. They have a ton of different ones there. I've seen the rib ones. I've seen the black and white ones. I've seen the patent leather. I've seen the leather. But out of all of those, these spoke to me the most. I probably am gonna go back and get another pair because I just like the classic black and white as well. But for me, this just did everything. Let's look at this here. So this comes out as I try these on. One of my feet or feet, whatever, tends to be a little bit more narrow than the other one. So this was a little bit loose. However, they did tell me no need to worry. We can take this out and we can bring it in a little bit. So they would have the cobbler take this off a little bit and then bring it in so it's a bit tighter on one foot than it is the other. And they also gave me all these little amazing shoe pads and extra little what are these called? Like, I don't know, things that go inside the shoe so that your foot doesn't slide in and it's not hurting. So tons of different things like that. And they gave me a lifetime. The manager signed it, gave me all the information here in my receipt, letting me know if you have any problems, just let us know. So that was really cool. It looks like this. As I tried them on in store, they were super comfortable. I will come back after I have worn them for a while and do a wear test and give you an updated, review on them. Looks like this on the bottom. Has a beautiful star there. I am in a size 37.5, which is a 7.5. The star just means luck, not that I need luck because I am highly favored and blessed. Hello. But who doesn't want luck, okay? So this is what these are, you guys. Super excited to have these in my collection. I cannot wait to style them. They are gonna go so fabulous with the next item that I'm about to show you. Like I said, I love black and gold. And I was okay, this is gonna make a lot of noise, sorry. I was super excited to add those to my collection. Look at my hair, is all over the place. I am all over the place in this video. But we're having fun, right? Pull up, go get a snack, do what you need to do. The next item is from Balmain. We are gonna unwrap this together. Let's turn the camera just a tad bit. It can go off of me, so let's unwrap this together. Wait, I have something to say. Hold on a second before we go there. I have something to say. If you watch my wish list, you guys, I'm gonna come back and do an updated wish list. This was on my wish list and I couldn't be more excited to have this. Quick testimony, I was a young girl. I don't know how old I was, okay, but I know I was young enough that I knew I couldn't afford this. And I would just look at the girls and the women. I've always been that girl that loved luxury, that loved like the classic, timeless, elegant, sophisticated type looks. That's just the kind of girl she is. And anything timeless and classic, I just wanted. You know what I mean? And this oozes that to me. So this have been on my wish list forever. However, you know, seriously, am I gonna pay this much for a coat, a jacket, a blazer, whatever you like to call it? No, that was not in my life. However, a time and a day had come, ways have been made, favor have been poured, and this was able to be done. And I am super excited that I have all of you here to share it with. Some of you know this was on the wish list and now I can check it off. And let's get back to what it is. I think you already know. So it has a nice ribbon here that I've just totally messed up. You guys, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Hold on a second. Okay, and this comes off. That is a nice little box there that says Balmain. I have been saying Balmain, but it's Balmain, I was told. Okay, and then it opens up like this. OMG, OMG, OMG. And then it comes out with this beautiful, 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 beautiful dust bag that says, and this is why, hold on a second. You guys, you know I like to talk. I have to tell you everything, okay? It's like we're experiencing it together. This is why I like shopping in store versus online, because I'm just that girl. Like, I had a whole experience. If you followed me on Instagram, you've seen the experience because I posted the whole entire thing. It says 44 Rue Francino ER. So it's up street in Paris. I visited Paris and I visited Balmain when I was there, and it was a dream come true. So I was super excited to add this too. I told you I'm a girl with a story, a note, a memory. I've always got to have something tied to something. This ties to a memory for me. And so here this is, and it looks like this. Oh my God, let's just unzip it and take it out. And of course I wanted the hanger. Of course, okay? I wanted the hanger. Why? Because the hanger says the same thing as this nice little dust bag. There it is, there it is. Oh my God. Who's excited? And it's in gold. You guys see that? I will put a picture of me trying on this jacket in a little bit, so stay tuned for Mod Shop. But here it is. The hanger is there. It says Balmain. It is a double-breasted Balmain. Nice jacket, classic. Oh my gosh. You guys, when I tried it on the first time, it was a little tight, okay? Not really, but really. And then the lady was like, girl, it's supposed to be fitted. And I was like, oh, okay. So it was a little tight, not really, but just tighter than how I wear my clothes. You know, I'm more of a, you know, structured, but not too tight kind of girl, but this was tight, but she said it was supposed to be fitted. With the holidays being here, probably gonna wear this closer to January. I don't know, we'll try it on and see. But I did get my Balmain blazer, so I was super excited about that. So we got that. Let's just hang this up here because it's super cute. And that is it. Is that all I wanted to share with you guys? I don't know. Oh, and then for those of you, I have dabbled completely back into fragrance. So if you love fragrance, make sure you are checking out the channel every single Wednesday. I do a dedicated video to fragrance, but my channel is still about all things luxury, whether it be a handbag, whether it be fashion, as far as clothing, whether it be shoes, no matter what it is, it's always going to be something fabulous. But if you are looking for something to get a whiff of, something new, something to add to your collection, perhaps you know about this, perhaps you don't. If you don't and you're looking for something and you like more of an amber, sweet, sultry, sexy, sensual type of scent, you need to get your nose on this. You guys, this is Grand Soir. It is amazing. It is, oh my goodness, I'm wearing this tonight. We're going out tonight. I'm wearing this tonight. It is uber, uber, uber sexy. You cannot go wrong. I will leave the MFK website in the description below so that you can order some samples if you don't want to order the whole bottle. I'm a huge fan of ordering samples first before you order the bottle. That way you ensure that you like it. I hate buying stuff, sending it back. I'm just not a huge fan of that. Typically why I don't shop online, but for some things it's a better deal. And for this, it's a better deal. I have a whole video. I'll put it at the end of this one. Don't leave, don't go anywhere. Stay here on the channel, watch the video for a huger savings. Okay, so that is that. I've shared that with you guys. Don't forget on your way out to check out Italo. Thank you so much for partnering with me on today's video. I will leave their information in the description box below as well. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this was your first time and you've enjoyed the vibe, do not forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Until next time, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye.